Right, everything seems to be in order. Here's your rucksack and webbing and the kit issue receipt.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Hove?
Your deployment kit, Private. Ensure it fits.
Yes, Staff Sergeant, thank you.
Ensure the plates are seated correctly before adjusting the webbing.
Understood, sir. How do we secure the helmet strap?
That adjusts here.
This is your issue holographic sight. Mount it here securely. We clear on the safeties?
Crystal, Staff Sergeant.
Right, ensure that's tight across the cummerbund. Take a deep breath for me. Feels secure now, Staff Sergeant. Thank you.